In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make CapCut send you notification. By the end, you'll have CapCut set up to alert you about important activity, so you don't miss project updates, exports, or reminders. First, open CapCut on your device. Give it a moment to load so you're on the main workspace or home screen. If you've just installed the app or haven't opened it in a while, it may prompt you to review a few preferences. That's fine. Just continue through until you're at the main interface. Next, click Settings. You're looking for the gear icon, usually in the upper corner or on the sidebar, depending on whether you're using the desktop app or the web version. Settings is where CapCut keeps all the app-wide controls, including notifications, so this is the place to be. Inside Settings, click General. The General section houses the universal preferences that affect how CapCut behaves across projects, not just within a single edit. If you see multiple tabs in Settings, make sure General is selected so you can find the notification controls easily. Now, go to Notification. This area is dedicated to what CapCut can alert you about. It's designed to be simple. You'll typically see an option that determines whether the app can send push notifications to your device. Think of this like the master switch for alerts. If it's off, you won't get any messages from CapCut, even if individual categories exist. Finally, click Allow. Turning this on gives CapCut permission to send notifications. On some devices, you may also see a system pop-up asking you to confirm that you want to allow notifications from CapCut. Choose Allow there as well. Once enabled, CapCut can notify you about things like exports completing, shared project updates, or other activity you choose to receive. That's the setup. A quick recap. Open CapCut, go into Settings, select General, open Notification, and click Allow. From here, you can continue editing as usual, and CapCut will reach out when something needs your attention. A few quick tips to make sure everything works smoothly. If you still don't see notifications after enabling them in CapCut, your device might be blocking them at the system level. Check your device's notification settings and confirm that CapCut is allowed. Also make sure Focus or Do Not Disturb isn't silencing alerts. Keeping the app updated helps too, since notification behavior can improve with newer versions. That's all you need to make CapCut send you notifications. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.